to find ways to figure your problems. Yeah. And here's our hot team. Next time you go to our office, you will see very clearly. Judy will ask your guidance to show you our office. Now, this year, we have 3 offices already. Yeah. Now, in here, such office is very special for the samples and the meeting. Yeah, and special for such show as the showroom for you to have the live show. Yes. And you can see our sales teams and the technology teams, and this we are in the factories and with our engineer Mr. Fu. And yeah, I said I need to correct it. Mr. Fu already have the experience more than 36 years. Yeah, he is full of experience of making the aluminum kettle. And any question or doubts, you can contact Judy. Judy will have the 44 hours online show for you, or online the service hotline. Yeah, 24 hours hotline. If Judy not feedback you, call Judy directly. Yeah, I will show you. Try my best to find the best way to solve your problems. Here's our customer's feedback. Yeah, he is our Kenya's factory factory manager of our Kenya customers. Yeah, as he say, they have we have the machines and they are very good. So they operate such machines very good now, and the capacity of the kettle already 1,000 to 22,000 already. Yes. So he told us everything is running smoothly, and his work is to make our machines. I just run his work to you directly. Okay, my work is to make your machine run well and happy, because its maintenance is not hard. Yes, just as say by our Kenya customers feedback, the maintenance no need to work. It's easy maintenance, easy operations. Yes, if you maintenance good, the machine can use more than 20 years. Our feedback, the feedback by our customers told us. And the second is the return of the investment report. It includes 1 polishing kettle's ROI and the aluminum kettle whole life ROI. Let's have a look. Maybe you cannot see very clearly. If you want such a material, such status, you can contact Judy. Judy's WhatsApp and is here. You can contact Judy, or you can search the Judy Sun Glory. You can search me and talk something. Leave your questions. Judy will contact you soon. Yes, if you want such material list. This very is just my friend of the kettle factory provide me. If you want such kettle, such status,